What's up, guys? It's Gus Activa, and today we are doing English on the plane. Let's go ahead and start. Here is a window. Now let's look outside the window. As you can see, outside there's a wing, the wing of the plane. And there are clouds. We are above the clouds right now, which is pretty cool. Up there it's called overhead bins, or the overhead cabin, where basically people put their suitcases and book bags up there so they don't have to put it under them, or maybe it's too big to fit under them, so they go ahead and they put it overhead, which is pretty useful. These are all seats. They're empty because no one is occupying them. No one is in the seat, so they are considered empty. Here is a mini TV on the plane. Let's see what I can do with it. It's telling us to press start, so I'm gonna go ahead and press start. Alright, so as you can see here, we have an option for movies and TV, audio for music, and some information about our flight, and just some other things about Switzerland. Also, programs for kids. Let's see what movies they have. Wait, let's make sure the language is English. Okay, because that's what we're learning. We are learning English. Start. Movies. They have some good movies. They do. They have some good action movies, which is really cool. They have all of the Harry Potter. I've never watched it. So they gave us some refreshments, so some snacks. Here are nuts. You see we have some almonds, cashews, peanuts, and I also have some Diet Coke. But yeah, as you can see, it's getting darker outside. It's getting darker. So now we're watching a movie, and they went ahead and brought out some dinner. So as you can see, this is a piece of bread. I think this is a brownie. I'm not sure what this is. It might be some lettuce, I don't know. And here we have some pasta, and we have some more Diet Coke. We're doing good. I'm probably gonna sleep after this. What's up, guys? We're back. So the light's been off for about 6 hours or so. I wasn't able to sleep just because it's hard for me to sleep on planes. And I was watching 2 movies, so it's all good. Also, I normally sleep around 1 a.m. to 2 p.m. 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. every night. And I'd say right now it's about 12 p.m. Eastern time. So I'd say about right now is when I would start getting to bed when I'm home. But your sleeping habits kind of stay with you no matter where you are, so it's all good. They're turning on the lights because I believe they're gonna serve us food again, like the breakfast, before we get off the plane. We land in about an hour and 30 minutes, so I guess in the next 30 minutes they'll start giving us drinks and food, but it's all good. I think the lighting in here is kind of nice. It's like a lightish purple. I guess they try to Oh, it's going back dark again. You see? I think it's like lights to tell us to wake up. Like, wake up, wake up. I don't know. That's cool. But you could kind of see the plane. Hold on. So there's a lot of empty seats on this plane, which I'm surprised because normally I go on the plane and the seats are pretty packed out, but not this one. But I'm not complaining because I had a free seat next to me, so I had space to stretch out and put my things down on this seat. You know, when you have someone next to you, you have to be cautious and mindful. So you have to be respectful and sit like this, like sit down. But here I'm kind of like spread out. I can lean this way, I can lean that way. I'm not even sure you guys are hearing me properly, just because you can hear the engine and all the wind going. But I hope this is recording and my voice is getting through fine. I'm using the mic, but I see the mic level is kind of already high because it's picking up the engine. But who knows? And what else? I'll probably turn it back on when they serve the food for breakfast. So I'll see you in a second. So they brought the breakfast through. I don't know what it is yet, but I think it was wrapped nicely. Look. So there's the bread. There's the bread, and it's wrapped in this black box. So let's see. So I don't think you guys can see it, but it's like a really creamy, good yogurt here. It's a cheese in there, some cream cheese, butter, jelly. And I guess I'm gonna put this on my bread. So that's what we're having for like early breakfast. We are supposed to be landing in 5 minutes. So as you can see, those are the lights of buildings, homes, streets, everything. You can see everything from the sky. Wow. I think it's... What is that white stuff? Is that snow? You tell me. That white stuff on the ground. I think that's snow. I think so. I don't know. Alrighty, we have landed. As always, if you guys enjoyed this video or learned some new words, remember to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.